Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and your family members too. Kindly follow the instructions of the government strictly and remain at home. Be safe, be secure. This is your video lecture for those students who will come in class 9th A and 9th B in this current session. Those who are currently in 8th A and 8th B and will jump into the 9th and 9th B in the session 2020 and 21. This is your video lecture regarding overview of the subject and the syllabus of science. Now later on we will also cover the study of the topics, the concepts of the topics. We will cover that. Now first of all we must know about the subject and the syllabus. So let me tell you, in class 9th in science there are mainly 3 subjects which you have to cover. First one is physics, chemistry and then biology. And you all are supposed to use NCERT book, class 9th NCERT book, which you can download online from Agla Sem. If you will Google and will type there Agla Sem, then you can easily download the Agla Sem NCERT book, which you can use later. If you want to use separate refreshers, then you can also use, but for that you have to wait until the school will open. When school will open, you can use the refreshers also, but please focus more on NCERT book, because in 10th class board examination your board paper will come maximum from the NCERT. In fact 80 to 90% paper will come from NCERT book, so focus more on NCERT. Now let us start about the overview. In this subject of science you have total 15 chapters, which you can see here. Chapter 1 is matter in our surroundings. Let me tell you out of those 15 chapters which one is from chemistry, which one is from physics and which one is from bio. So there are total 15 chapters, 4 chapters from chemistry, 6 chapters from bio and 5 chapters from physics. So total 4 plus 6 plus 5, 15 chapters. Kindly note all these overview, all these matters, all the video contents which I am releasing in a separate notebook. So when the school will start, you can use that notebook for your notes. Chapter 1 is matter in our surroundings, chemistry, that is of the chemistry part. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure, that is also of the chemistry part. Chapter 3 atoms and molecules, chemistry. Chapter 4 structure of the atoms, chemistry. Chapter 5 the fundamental unit of life, that is bio part. Chapter 6 tissues, biology. Chapter 7 diversity in living organism, bio. Chapter 8 motion, physics. Chapter 9 forces and laws of motion, physics. Then after that chapter number 10 gravitation, physics. Work and energy, physics. Sound, physics. Why do we fall ill, bio. Natural resources, bio. Improvement in food resources, bio. So total physics 5 chapters, chemistry 4 chapters, bio 6 chapters, total 15 chapters you have. So this is all about the overview of the subject, overview of the science. Now we will start in a brief way, chapter wise. First of all we will start about chapter 8, that is motion, and we'll cover some important definitions. Look, in this video lectures we will cover some definitions only, and the depth knowledge we can cover in the school running session. So first of all today we are going to cover these 4 terms: motion and rest, slow and fast motion, uniform and non-uniform motion, and what is the difference between distance and displacement and what does it mean. So let us start chapter 8, motion.